Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking to you about US Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be walking you through 3 different ways that you can order checks for US Bank. So just a little bit about what a check is. It is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way it works is you write the check and then the person you are paying deposits that check. Once they've done that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you the 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to also have a voided check or something else that has your bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing that you want to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. Now you can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any browser, really, whatever browser you normally use will be fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the website, and you can see the web address at the top, usbank.com, and you can also check the description for the link to US. So the first way is going to be to log into your US Bank account, US Bank account online. You'll need to have a username and password, and you're going to look for a sign in or the login button at the top right corner of the screen. You click on that and it's going to come up to where you can enter your username or your personal ID and your password. Now, if you don't have those 2 items, you can click right here where it says new user, and you can then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment and get your username and password. Once you're in, you're going to want to click on banking options and order checks online. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be to call the customer service number for US Bank. You should be able to find this phone number on the back of your debit card, and you can also find the phone number by looking for a Contact Us page on the US Bank website. Usually you can find that at the very bottom of the screen, but it might take a little bit of searching. Usually the back of your debit card is going to be your best bet, but if you happen to know of any other way to find the customer service number, be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will be an additional fee for this service to order your checks, and that is something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you. The final way you can order checks is through a third-party vendor. To do this, you simply go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for US Bank. So I have that tab open already, and I've already done the search for order replacement checks for US Bank, and it just comes up with a ton of websites where you can order checks. You've got Bradford Exchange Checks, which is a very, very popular one. I do want you to be aware that the security features and the prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary, but if you happen to know of any good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for US Bank from, be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third party is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact US Bank account number and routing number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and definitely make sure to check out the description for more information on US Bank.